H2K Infosys provides world-class online IT training, staffing and software testing solutions to customers worldwide. H2K Infosys supports 100% job-oriented training, hands-on project work, cloud test lab, resume preparation and review, mock interviews, robust syllabus. One-time pay, lifetime access to live classes and videos. H2K Infosys has won the trust of thousands of students worldwide. For free demo class, visit h2kinfosys.com.
Introduction to Quality Assurance QA. Welcome to H2K Infosys. Today we're kicking off our QA series with an introduction to quality assurance. By the end of this video, you'll understand what QA is, why it's essential, and how it fits into the software development lifecycle. Let's dive in. What is quality assurance? Quality assurance, or QA, is a systematic process designed to determine if a product meets specified requirements. It ensures that the final product is free of defects and performs as expected. QA involves activities such as testing, inspection, and process improvements. The importance of QA. QA is crucial because it helps maintain high quality, reduces the risk of defects, and ensures customer satisfaction. Without QA, software products may fail to meet user expectations or have critical bugs that disrupt functionality. QA in the software development lifecycle. In the software development lifecycle, QA is involved at various stages, from requirement analysis to maintenance. This ensures that quality is built into the product from the ground up, rather than being an afterthought. Types of testing in QA. In our last topic, we introduced quality assurance. Now we'll explore the various types of testing involved in QA. Let's get started. Functional testing. Functional testing checks if the software functions as expected. It involves testing individual functions by providing input and comparing the output with the expected result. Examples include unit testing, integration testing, and system testing. Example of functional testing. Let's consider a login function. In functional testing, you test scenarios like correct credentials, incorrect credentials, and edge cases to ensure the login works as expected. Non-functional testing. Non-functional testing examines non-functional aspects like performance, usability, and reliability. Examples include load testing, stress testing, and security testing. Example of non-functional testing. For non-functional testing, you might test how the login page performs under heavy traffic or if it's secure against SQL injection attacks. Both functional and non-functional testing are critical for a comprehensive QA process. Next, we'll explore manual testing in detail. Subscribe and stay tuned. Manual testing explained. Manual testing, a fundamental part of QA. By the end of this video, you'll know what manual testing is, how it's done, and when to use it. Let's get started. What is manual testing? Manual testing involves human testers who manually execute test cases without automation tools. It's essential for exploratory, usability, and ad hoc testing. Steps in manual testing. Here are the typical steps in manual testing. 1. Understanding requirements, know what you're testing. 2. Creating test cases, define what to test and how. 3. Executing test cases, manually perform the tests. 4. Logging defects, report any issues found. 5. Retesting and regression testing, verify fixes and check for new issues. Example of manual testing. Let's test a registration form. We'd manually enter valid and invalid data to ensure the form behaves correctly, checking for validation messages and successful submissions. Conclusion. Manual testing is crucial for tasks requiring human intuition and exploratory analysis. In our next video, we'll cover automated testing. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more quality content.